Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Homemade Happiness. Hello my beautiful people, hope you all are doing good. Today I am back with another video on my channel. This video is about my morning routine during summer holidays. Alright guys, it's 7 in the morning and I just woke up. I clean up the mess in the kitchen, turn on the dishwasher and I started to make my breakfast. For the breakfast today, I plan to make onion dosa. I already have the batter ready from yesterday. I made idli yesterday, so I have the leftover batter which is kept in the fridge, so I'm gonna be using the same. To begin with the onion dosa toppings, you need some onion, cilantro, green chili, ginger and some cumin seeds. So I'm gonna be grinding all of them in the chopper. What I mean by grinding is just blend it coarsely. You do not have to blend it like a paste. Alright guys, I love this chopper from Walmart. I am so grateful for my husband that he finally brought me this chopper, because I literally do not have any idea of how many times I have already chopped my fingers with the knives. Alright, just dump everything in the chopper like so and we're gonna grind them. That's it you guys, onion dosa topping is ready. Alright guys, the batter was little thicker since it was used for idli, and I added a half a cup of water to get the perfect consistency for dosa. Meanwhile, I just kept the batter aside and I have to take my iron and thyroid medicines early in the morning every day. So this has to be taken every day 1 hour prior to my breakfast. I think I already have mentioned in my earlier videos that I'm amniotic now and I have to take these medicines every day in the morning to make my blood levels up. And that was the breakfast for today guys. It turned out really good. If you need a recipe for the batter or the chutney was made of peanuts, let me know in the comment section. I would definitely gonna make one for you guys. After myself and Zach had our breakfast, Riza and Ali got up and they wanted to have plain dosa today with maple syrup. So I went ahead and made them plain dosas. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and Riza and Ali wanted to try the snack packs we brought from Costco. These are the popsicles that are banana and some colorful oranges vanilla flavor popsicles. They're all different flavors and I absolutely love every flavor that I tried.
What's a cartoon cat? There's a plane. Wait, there's two of those.
Oh,
That's my favorite.
hold it.
And that is not a whole color.
Yeah.
Another mommy? Hey, mommy. Are we eating popsicle? Dinner.
It's already 11 o'clock right now and we had our backyard cleaned up today. There was a lot of greenery around and because of the greenery we experienced a lot of bugs around, so we had the backyard cleaned up. Alright guys, I made aloo ke parathe with some green chutney today for the lunch. The green chutney was the leftover from yesterday. So yeah, that's all we had for lunch. After the lunch, we all had a pretty good sleep and then we woke up. Riza and Ali wanted to have some chocolate milk. This chocolate milk is from Tim Hortons and this mocha ice cap is what I had for my snack, and this is what Riza had. He loves this slushy from Tim Hortons. It was 5:30 in the evening guys and there was a hailstorm and tornado warning in the Calgary today. It was a heavy hailing. So we got a warning on the phone saying that you guys have to go in the basement if it is gonna be tornado. So yeah, it actually stopped after half hour. We are so glad and so thankful to Allah that finally this hailing stopped completely and we are safe. So yeah, that's all for today guys. I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, give me a like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Zahid, जल्दी आओ
Come inside.
See this?
What's in my hand?
No, it's hail.
That's the hand.
Yes.
Hailstorm.